Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix WWE 2k25 Netflix edition on mobile crashing, not launching, not opening, lagging or other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your phone once. For that, press the power plus volume up button and now select restart. So this will restart your device. After restarting your phone, make sure to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to log in to the correct Netflix account. Make sure you can play the game only when you have a Netflix account. So you should check if there is any error while logging to the Netflix account, and or you can also change the username or password once and then try to again log into the Netflix account and then check if the problem is fixed. Next solution is to check device compatibility. So make sure your device supports the game. For that, make sure your Android is running on 8 plus version and have at least 4 GB RAM. And you can also check the compatibility of your device by going to Google Play Store and then search for the game and about this game and then click on compatible device. So here you can also find the list of the devices that supports the game. Next is to force stop the app. So if the app is showing any kind of issue, you can force stop the app. For that, click on the game icon over here, then click on app info. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the app. After that, try to launch the game and see if it's working. If it doesn't resolve the problem, then you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache and then click on clear cache option over here, and after that check if the problem is fixed. Next solution is to update your app. So for that, go to Google Play Store and in the search option here you have to search for WWE 2k25 Netflix edition, and after that here you have to check if there is any update available, and after updating, now check if the problem is fixed. If not, you are also suggested to check if your phone OS needs any update. For that, go to settings, now go below and here you have to click on system update. Now here you have to check whether your phone needs any kind of update. If there is any update available, you simply click on update option, and after your device OS is updated, check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to check and update your Netflix app. So for that, go to Google Play Store and in the search option here you have to type Netflix, and after that check if any update is there. Here in my case an update is available. You simply need to click on update option over here, and after updating, now check if the game is launching or not. If there is any problem, then move to the next solution. Method is to check storage space on your device. So for that, go to settings. After that, click on RAM and storage. It may be differ from device to device. So here you have to check if there is enough storage space to install the game. If there is any less space, then delete some unused tabs or games, and after that try to launch the game and see if it's working. After trying all the methods, if you still face the same problem, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, click on the game icon over here, then click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. So after uninstalling, again go to Google Play Store, search for the game and then click on install option. After that, check if the problem is resolved or not. So these are few solutions that will fix WWE 2k25 Netflix edition crashing, not opening, not launching, lagging, freezing or other issues on Android phones. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.